this is just the first session, y'all.
Right.
What's good? It's your girl Simone Johnson with Barbara Sense, and we just completed our second session with Lecrae for SNP, Scalp Micropigmentation. Lecrae, what did you think about your experience with me for SNP?
Man, I was tired of the enhancements, tired of the Beijing, so it's time to just, do something that's gonna be long lasting.
That's right.
I'm just really kind of blown away at the straightness of the lines. It's crazy. This is my permanent hairline.
That's right.
It's amazing.
Awesome. What do you think about the pain level though? Like from 1 to 10, what would you say it was?
I mean, like 3 for me.
3?
When you put on a good show, a good video, you forget anything is happening.
Yeah.
It was light. It was
So you
great.
enjoyed the experience. Who's able to watch the show?